one that we're going to do with the help of a wall is called calf raises, which is really good to strengthen out our leg muscles. So let's go ahead and stand into the wall. Your feet don't need to touch into the wall completely, but everything from the hips till the back of the shoulders can. It's okay if the whole length of the spine doesn't, let it just follow the natural curve of your spine. On this one, if you don't have high blood pressure, you can go ahead and lift the arms over the head, and then slowly we're just going to come off the heels and then exhale, come back down. The modification for this, if you do have high blood pressure, is just to keep the hands down. Inhale, come up on the heels, exhale, come down. Go ahead and inhale up, exhale down, 5 to 10 rounds or 5 to 10 breaths. Go ahead and relax whenever you're done. Hip rotations. Let's go ahead and step the feet about hip distance apart, bringing the hands on the hips. Let's start with a slow one, pushing the hips to one side as much as you can. Breathe in, bringing it forward. Exhale the opposite side and then the back. Make sure that your head is stable and centered. Go ahead and start increasing the speed as and when you're comfortable, just combining it with your breath. Do about 5 to 10 rounds like this, and then go ahead and start with a slow round from the opposite side, and then go ahead and start building up the speed as and when the muscles get warm. Go ahead and come into a seated position. If you feel that you cannot sit on the ground in this position, you can go ahead and do the same positions on a chair. Wherever you are, just ensure that you're coming up to the full length of your spine. What we're going to do over here is bring our hands, our palms to the side of the head or the temples, and all you're going to do is inhale, pull up your neck as much as you can, gently creating length in your spine, length in the neck, and just hold it here for 10 counts. Once you're done with 10 counts and 10 breaths, maintain the posture but bring your hands back down. What we're going to do is known as isometric holds, and it's really good for strengthening out your neck muscles. So what you're going to do is first take one hand, place that palm against your temple, and go ahead and push the palm into the head, as well as at the same time push your head back into the palm. You'll feel the counter pressure building over here. Go ahead and hold it for 10 counts. Release when you're done, and then do the opposite side. Same thing, opposite hand into the temple, and then push the head back into the hand, going ahead and holding this for 10 counts. Go ahead and release, and then let's do the front of the head, placing the palm at the center of the forehead and push. This is for the back neck muscles. And after 10 counts, when you're done, we can go ahead and do the back of the head, placing both the palms behind the head and push. Go ahead and do that for 10 counts and then stop, relax whenever. This one is for eye strain, and the technique that we're going to be using is known as the cupping palm technique. So the way we do this is, go ahead and bring your palms together, rub them. Whilst it's creating nice heat between the palms, go ahead and rub them together a little fast. And then when you feel it's nice and warm, go ahead and cup these palms over your eyes. Taking a few deep breaths, gently letting that heat massage the eyes. You can go ahead and repeat that a few more times till you feel the relaxation in the eyes. And then go ahead and relax whenever you are done.